Lil had so much love, and I did my very best to keep her safe for 17 years, but I couldn't keep her safe on that day. Yeah, she was just beautiful on the outside and the inside, you know, like she was the most perfect daughter I could have ever wished for, because she was full of life and she'd cheer you up. You know, she had a cracking sense of humour, and she just cared about her family and her friends. And she was my best friend, you know, like we had a lovely relationship. And now that she's not here, it's like a part of me is missing. It's the call that you never want to have, isn't it? You find out that your daughter's been killed, and, you know, a part of me died that day. It totally destroys you.
We always want to do the best we possibly can for Lily May in this case and her family. By bringing the offending driver to justice, we hope will go some way in terms of trust and confidence within the police, and the desire for us to bring people to justice.
I think it gave me hope to think that this might send a message that it is unacceptable to kill somebody and cause all this devastation and show no remorse.
The fact that officers were able to catch him, and he's since been convicted of other driving offences post this fatal collision, shows his total disregard for road safety, for Lily May and for Lily May's family. It's disgusting the way that he's behaved, and the fact that he has been brought to justice and he will receive sentencing for the crime that he has committed is more than appropriate for his actions. It's massive for our team to get a conviction. From the minute the officers are first deployed to a serious or fatal road traffic collision, their sole aim is to get justice for the family and justice for the person that's died within that collision, and that's what they achieved